Who wants oil? Well, we can't do tire dropping. That was a rough one. What do you want to do?
No, I'm busy. Do it in a second.
Rabbit.
Oh, here's...
No.
This is out in Pala.
Who's got a $5 Canadian bill?
That's a nice Corvette, but that's not even the new one.
Bring it up, Joe.
Not this
right
one,
now.
there's a yellow one.
Yeah, who's got a $5 bill?
Grab a jug of oil.
For what?
Grab a jug of oil.
I got a jug of oil.
Grab a jug of oil. Grab a jug of oil.
Look at this.
Grab a jug of oil.
That thing's awesome.
Grab a jug of oil.
That's new Corvette.
Hey, where's your five?
No, that's not the new one. That looks like
Where's
a
your
Corvette.
fiber?
The new one doesn't even look like a Corvette.
He doesn't have one.
It looks like it's been completely remodeled.
Looks like they just
Who's
took
close
like
to
a
500?
Corvette,
Or
mixed
five,
it with
sorry.
some
Go
other
on.
car and had fun.
All right, go on.
Like it's like a like.
What's left? Go on.
Ooh, isn't that nice?
Sure.
Nice truck.
Sure. That's all that's left. Everything's gone. What? Oh, there's oil. And I call 633. Yes. Got it? Give him the jack stand. 633.
Oh, here's
Yeah.
that one that was really low. Look, that one that was really low is raised now. Look,
All right, what do we got?
Where is it?
right there.
We have a tire rack?
Yeah, watch you.
I want that.
You'll
Where's your
notice.
tire rack? How do you want to give that away?
Yeah, that's it.
Got it, 50.
Hold your hand,
I
Uh,
knew it had to have had hydraulics.
who's on a street you start? Good, your hand up first. What street you live on?
Oh, I keep
Boy,
having
that's
people
it.
look over at me and smile.
Take it. Just get rid of it.
Yeah, but the guy in the black.
Yeah, I know. I saw.
Where is it? 251. Here you go.
That's scary.
This thing's awesome.
What is that? A hacksaw.
Now we made some serious
What do we got?
Big, hear it? Hear the
Yeah.
how deep it is?
Female
It's
car
got
owner.
a
It's-
big motor in it. So does that one. Watch when it gets behind you. That's when you can really start hearing the motor.
Cut down a tree. No, well, oh, man. We got suspenders.
This one's nice.
Who's got a library card?
You'll hear it.
No. Library card?
Oh, you can always hear it in the Camaros.
No. Here we go. Here we go. We're almost out. Who drives a Mustang? There you go.
I wish I did.
All right. I got half. Who drives a Chevrolet?
There's a,
And not first, sorry.
I like the black ribs.
Who has a hot rod? Lady, right
I
there.
don't, I want one. Is that what that was for? You want one?
Hopefully. Yeah, this is the best part is when they're all leaving.
No, we should have ordered out.
We're collecting. What do we got? A punch and chisel set. Wow, that's getting difficult. But that's cool.
Oh, here's that truck with the paint job that's, I think,
Who's got a
no.
Volkswagen ownership?
No, that one's real.
The only guy in the room with a
Ooh, this
Volkswagen
thing's got the
ownership.
nice
Gotta tell you
side
something.
spin thing. Flams. I don't know. El
Well, we're getting
Camino.
down at the bottom. We have a vest, a winter vest.
One of
All right.
that.
Who owns a white pickup truck? I do. No,
Oh, look at how many doors this has.
no, I asked for a white pickup truck.
There's that Jeep that looks like it could climb over this car. The
Not a
Jeep
pickup,
looks like,
it's a truck.
Dad, the Jeep looks like it could climb the car in front of it.
Look at this.
Okay, we're almost.
I think it's crazy.
We have just some silly little t-shirts. Oh, here's a set of tape measures. One, that lady with the hat. Who else? Oh, we have some. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming to the 26th Annual AutoFest Nationals. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and we'll see you all next year.
Let's see what that was. It's already coming. After this.
Look at the thing spinning on it.
That's the turbo.
Turbo? It's like bouncing back and forth. That would be so loud.
The exhaust.
Look at the license plate. It just says S905.
Yes, I don't know.
Is that legal?
I don't even think so.
Look at these rims. Whoa.
Oh, there's that nice Camaro.
Oh, can't wait to see Jack Dukes of Hazzard.
Who?
Duke.
I think it would be cool. Oh, this thing's like a. That's pretty cool rims. He just gunned it.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Oh, this is funny. Purple, yellow. Together makes cool.
Oh, it looks good. Well, look at that.
That's the one you said looked real
Yeah,
nice.
that is one. That's sweet.
Ooh. Look at
Ooh, I see some nice Mustangs. See a nice orange mustache up there.
This is like the car what in the movie that crab car beat it. At the beginning of Fast 8. Crab car beat it.
Kinda.
Looks like it.
Yeah, a little.
He's like brand
Yeah,
new, man.
So
One
shiny.
from Fast and Furious 8 at the beginning when the crab car beats it. Sort of, right?
A punch buggy destroyed.
Ow, that boss just flew in the side of my head. It's like, die. But it did nothing. So. Look at that.